Hello students, welcome to the class. Now students, as we were continuing with the chapter of division in our previous lessons also, now moving forward with the next part, and till now we have studied about division, the properties of division, division of number by 2 digit and 3 digit, along with that division of number by 10, 100 and 1000. Now continuing forward with the next topic, and today we are going to discuss about the word problems related to division. So for that I have taken a question here, and let us read what is given in the question very first. So the question says, how many minutes make 2580 seconds? It is being asked to you that you have to find how many minutes are there in 2580 seconds. So let us start the solution now, and your solution will begin like this. So very first, since you have to convert these seconds into minutes, so the first statement will be number of seconds. How many seconds are given to you here in the question? 2580 seconds. And we need to change it into minutes. How many minutes it is making? So very first, what are the number of seconds in 1 minute? So very first, we need to find out how many seconds are there in 1 minute. So how many seconds are there? There are 60 seconds. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And now we have to find how many minutes are there in 2580 seconds. So therefore, number of minutes equals to, how you are going to find out number of minutes? By dividing the given number of seconds with seconds in 1 minute. So as the total number of seconds given to us is 2580, and what is the number of seconds in 1 minute? There are 60 seconds. So we will divide 2580 with 60. Let us perform the division now. So what is the dividend here? 2580. Our divisor is 60. So let's start the division. 60 4s are 240. So 60 4s are 240. Subtracting the value here, 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now let's bring this last digit 0 at the bottom. And now divide 180 with 60. So 60 3s are 180. Subtracting the value here, 0 minus 0, 8 minus 8 and 1 minus 1. So as you can see, it is a complete division. That means we are left with 0 as a remainder. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is 43. That means there are 43 minutes in 2580 seconds. So this is how we have solved this question, number of minutes in 2580 seconds. Similarly, you can find any other division values also. You can find any different type of question, like if it is being asked that how many hours are in given minutes. So again, since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so you will again divide it by 60. So I hope this topic is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students.